Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with Paw Patrol. The Roll Patrol is going out on the rescue. Oh no, there is a parrot trapped in the water. We need to rescue it and take it to safety. Hey Zuma, Chase, I need you to go rescue the parrot. Right away. The parrot's scared. Chase, you better get out and go to the other side so she doesn't run away. Now scare her this way. Sure thing. Ah! Quack, quack! Quack, quack! Got her! Great job, Chase. That was fun. I'm gonna take her back up to the forest. Ah, the road's out. We're gonna need some more help for another rescue. My rescue! Oh no, there's a cow trap too! Calling Paw Patrol! Calling Paw Patrol! We need help! Rubble and Rocky, I think it's your turn. It's time to go help! Rubble on the double! Woohoo! Green means go! Hey Rubble, go check out the bridge. I'm gonna go rescue Bettina. Come here, Bettina. Come here. Ooh. I'll fix this with my bulldozer. I have this really fancy crane. Wow, I did it. Zuma is on the way! Stay out of the way, Bettina! Let's go! Hey, Wally! Here you go, Mr. Parrot, sir! Whee! I've returned the cow! Ooh, we did it! Great job, Rocky! Everyone's coming back to Lookout Tower! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.